Now, in order to look at the source files, you can directly open Ubuntu. Here, the fonts are not correctly colored, so you should go to Program and then open Ubuntu. Here, the terminal is brighter. You can open the file by just going to the OpenFOAM folder and the application file or src file to look at the source code as explained in the lectures and look at the code yourself. Do vi to look at the code. You can use arrow keys to go down and as well as up. The scroll won't work here. And then you can quit by typing :q, enter. You can look at any other file as well. Let's look at meshing and then block mesh. Again, you can use arrow keys to go up and down and : q to quit.